Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I have pleasure to share with you an unboxing and a first look of a new CJRB that I got. I mentioned it in my previous videos that I'm looking forward to receiving this one. Took a little bit longer than I expected, but finally arrived. This is the Bowie Pyrite from the limited or special edition, how to call it, directly. This is a direct version from the CJRB company, so it is not a dealer exclusive. And it has the new AR-SFII blade and OD Micarta scales, which are not only the plain version ones like on they have used on the Prado here, but they are sculpted. So I'm really forward to share this one with you. So inside the box we have a nice felt lined pouch with a nice quality, decently large microfiber cloth and some silica packet, nothing special or important there. Nice quality bag, and let me show you and talk about it a little bit about this beauty here. So the model number is J1942-ODG. We have a overall length of 19.6 centimeters, that is 7.3 inches. The blade is 8 centimeters, 3.1 inch. So hopefully I'm not disappointing lots of you who have a limited blade restriction law in your country, but this is above the 3 inches, and I always measure from the bolster or frame to the point. So if you would measure it from the start of the blade to the, it will be maybe under 3 inches, but I don't know if you have some problems, then the police will will measure it. Then they will probably measure it from the start here and not from the actual blade. So just be careful with that. Always check with your law enforcement if you would like to carry this one outside. But let's continue with the width. We have 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. Blade thickness is 3 millimeters or 0.12 inches. Handle length 10.7 or 4.22 inches. Thickness 1.1 centimeter or 0.44 inches. And like I mentioned, on the blade we have the new AR-SFII, which is a nice stainless. It is a proprietary steel derived from the AR-RPM9, and it has a added extra edge retention. The finish, they call it sand polished. So basically they're doing probably some kind of satin finish, and then they polished it to a little higher grit. So really nice. You can a little bit see the tooling marks or the grind lines right there. Anyway, the handles are made of natural OD green canvas micarta with this, I call it basically old school Enzo pattern. This is some kind of rocky pattern. There are different names for it. Basically you are applying a small wheel and then on the top also, and you are generating really nice texture. Since this is a natural style finishing, it is blasted, so it will definitely change color. It will darken up a little bit while you're using it, and has a really nice feel to it, like micarta does. And this is quality micarta in my opinion, but I wish they would go the route with the brown one. As far as liners go, we have nested liners which are heavily skeletonized, so perfect done job right there. This significantly reduces the weight, of course. Pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers. As far as the lock goes, we have a button lock or plunge lock right there. Opening method is via 2 double thumb studs here. There is also a finger groove, so if you like you can double pinch it, maybe also single pinch it. Yes, you can. And probably yes, also middle finger flick it. Thanks for the ambidextrous mounting position, so also my left-handed carry user friends can enjoy this knife. As you can see, there is extra body, domed body screw, but underneath you will have nice flush screws. So this is how it's supposed to be. Unfortunately, the stiffness is really strong on this one, so probably heat treated stainless steel, of course, nicely polished up. I really enjoy this Bowie profile here. The Pyrite is just a really nice platform to experiment with the different kinds of blade configurations, like CJRB did. I'm really happy with that. They have released so many versions that I could not count them. Different dealer exclusives, different blade configurations, and so on. So really happy to see what they bring out. There is also a large version, but not in the special edition so far, maybe in the future. As far as the weight goes, we have 68.3 grams, so that is 2.4 ounces. So I cannot stress this enough. So this is a super lightweight knife. If you not weight you down, you can carry it also in summer if you have some light pants or shorts. Now, since the button locks can be a little bit finicky, let's try if the lock will or will not fail. So perfectly safe in my opinion, but you should do this anyway. But good to see that the lock is really nicely dialed in. So as far as sharpness goes, let's check it out. Super sharp, really nice to see, as expected. As far as the pocket clip, pocket profile goes, let's test it out. So it will go inside without any problems. So even the pocket clip is really stiff. I had no problems to put it inside in my jean pocket. So now let's talk about the pricing. That is a little bit of an issue because these limited editions are quite expensive in my opinion, but they are giving you their new proprietary steel and also micarta and so on. But yeah, let's face it, MSRP is $120. That is definitely a really high price for this size of a knife. As far as the dealer pricing goes, I did check. I found it as low as 86 US dollars, and here in Europe at around 99 euros. So basically for 99 euros I would be a little hesitant, because for so much money you can definitely buy lots of different stuff here around. If you are in US, then if you can get it for around those $85, it's definitely a better price. But if you don't need it, I would probably go route either check out some other variants, or just save up money and or wait for some dealers sales and so on, so that they give you extra discount. Now, not to say that it's a bad knife. I have a couple of them, so I really enjoy them, so I can recommend them to have, but the price is really high. So for example, this is the titanium version of the standard Pyrite with the standard blade. Here is my dealer exclusive Pyrite old version with the Pyrite Micarta from Knife Center. And yeah, maybe I will get some more in the future. Now let's continue with the size comparisons. So let's bring out the usual suspects here. So let's start with the Vosteed Raccoon, one of their best sellers. QSP Penguin. Let's see the CVV Elementum. All of these are bestsellers for their representative companies. From CRKT represents here the Padawan. Then I have here the Petrified Fish 949X. This is the small warrior. Another one from CJRB, the Feldspar Mini with the dealer exclusive Knife Center Pyrite Micarta. This is the Kaiser Baglighter 2. like to see the previous limited edition. This is the Prado from designer Ray Laconico. Paramilitary 3. Okay, let's continue with the Benchmade bug out. And the Real Steel Knives Griffin Pro. Giant mouse. Here is the Ace Grand and Jutland or Jutland. Another beautiful traditional modern design, the CVV rustic gent. Let's do the Red Model 2. And Spyderco Delica. Let's continue with the back of Sovereign. And the Kershaw Knives Leak. Okay, let's do the Peanut here from Rough Rider. So a Sharpie. Let's close it out with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Like I mentioned, as far as variants go, you can choose from different blade configurations. The Bowie one does come in a ebony bolster with similar configuration of this blade. There is some kind of anodized or surface coating that looks almost bronze or goldish looking with black anodized or black coated handle scales, and probably some couple of the versions that I did not see, but because they really giving us so much flavor to get that if you would like to collect only pyrite, then you would have a really large collection by itself. Okay, so with that being said, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate my subscribers letting me know what you're thinking. So feel free to comment, let me know what's going on. And if I'm not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, I would like to wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.